Hello, I finished my new Rubik's Cube. This is probably one you've seen before. It's the Radiolarian 5. It took me a very long time to print and sticker it. It, it turns pretty good, I think. Yeah, it turns nice. It's catchy, but every Radiolarian 5 is. Like that. Wow, that's pretty bad. When it's not doing that, it turns pretty good. Of course, it's a Radiolarian 5. It can jumble. Can this turn? No, it can't turn. That could turn. Probably don't do that. What am I thinking? This can turn. This can turn. Come on. Yeah. There we go. So, if you know the Radiolarian 5, it has some problems. One of them is definitely that catching. I don't think you can do much about it. But the other is these little edges. They just rotate very easily if you don't do something to fix it. And I did something to fix it. It's right around this cut. There's a little ridge right under the edge piece, and that somewhat keeps in place. It's the same mechanism I used on Mix-Up 5x5. It worked very well there. Here, I don't think it's 100% accurate. I did have an edge flip, but I mean, I had an edge flip a few times, but it's not a very common problem. You can actually completely jam up these pieces very badly, and it won't flip any. It won't flip. So, I think I've at least mostly fixed it. Let me see. Like this. This probably would have flipped it if it was a regular Radiolarian 5, but here it's good. Never mind. Yeah, that it's still a problem. It's not that bad of a problem, though. I got very unlucky there. So the edges flipping is still possible, but at least you can do a few turns without it being such a problem. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I've had problems with these little pieces in my Rubik's Cubes. I have at least one that I tried very small pieces and it failed miserably. But this is excellent. Completely excellent. Way better than I expected it to be. I'm not going to scramble it yet because, well, there's a sticker there now. I'm not going to scramble it yet because I want it solved, at least until I'm ready to solve it again. But I'll show you a few jumbling moves. Or a few. This turn? No. So, that's some nonsense. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love this thing.